it!
But we have to find a space to perform.
What about this room?
It is nice and big.
I just need to move the furniture.
Okay.
Right, let me see. Ooh.
Daddy Pig is having some trouble.
How are you going, Daddy?
Do you need some help? Yes, it seems a bit stuck.
Let me give you a hand.
I can help.
Me too.
Let's do it together.
Everyone count with us.
1, 2, 3.
Everyone is helping Daddy Pig move the furniture.
There.
Good teamwork, everyone.
Hooray! I am so excited. Me too. Look, we found a space to perform our play. Ta-da! Peppa, it's perfect. Hooray! And we started a list.
Our play will have dancing
Music
and
costumes. There really is a lot to do.
Mummy Pig and I can help.
Granny Pig and I can help too.
Yay! Come on, everyone. Coming, Peppa.
This should be lots of fun.
Indeed.
it's a rainy day for Peppa's family.
We'll learn something new.
That's the key.
Let's work together and then you see
A rainy day play with costumes by me.
Mummy Pig likes to make costumes.
I like to sew and make sparkly things. A hat for a nurse.
for beautiful rain.
I measure and cut things one by one. Making costumes is lots of fun. There! It's done!
It's a rainy day for Peppa's family.
We'll learn something new.
That's the key.
Let's work together and then you see
A rainy day play with music by me.
Grandpa Pig likes to play music on his old record player.
There's something special about the sound of music played.
from a record that's round.
Spinning in circles, we hear the beat, and it makes me want to move my feet. Won't you dance with me?
Yes, please.
1, 2, 3. Then turn around. Playing songs one by one. Dancing to music is lots of fun.
Granny Pig likes to dance to the music that Grandpa Pig plays. Daddy Pig likes to fix things around the house.
I like to build, fix and repair.
When something breaks,